wife and I always book a cooking class when we travel, and we were very happy with this option. Auntie K provides clear directions to the meeting point and walks you through the entire process of cooking your dishes. We did not request a specific dish and had Auntie K choose for us. We ended up making jollof rice and grilled chicken with boiled plantains and eggs, sautéed cabbage, and greens with smoked tuna. It was hands down the best jollof rice and chicken we had in Accra during our stay, and the grains were my favorite out of everything. Be sure to write down the recipe as you cook so you can try to recreate at home. Auntie K was happy to answer any questions we had about the process or anything else that came to mind. You can choose to work as much as you feel like. The process is fulfilling and satisfying to participate and eat. We would recommend to anyone looking to learn how to make local Ghanaian dishes at home. Auntie KK and family created an incredible, customized, and priceless cooking experience for me. Auntie KK came in on a day when she truly did not have to help me learn some new Ghanaian dishes. I assisted alongside her, her husband, and one of her daughters. I truly felt like a part of the family. We spent 3.5 hours or so making fufu, palava, chicken light soup, boiled eggs with peppers/onions, and boiled yams. This was everything that I asked for, and Auntie KK delivered. I highly recommend this experience. It's genuine and special, and I've walked away from it learning a bit more about Ghanaian cooking and with new family/friends. The cooking and eating all happen outdoors on a patio area on charcoal fires. This was not an issue at all for me. I loved it, but if you are sensitive to the heat or sun, you may not enjoy this experience as much. My friend and I had a great time cooking with Auntie KK and her family. They were so kind and gave us words of encouragement as we were cooking. Auntie KK even bought fresh coconut for us. Location was a little tough to find, but other people in the community helped us. Make sure you're prepared for the sun because it was an outdoor cooking experience. The experience felt very personalized. You get to choose what you'd like to cook and also choose how hands-on you want to be in the cooking process. If you want an authentic cooking experience, you will love this class. No blender, but learn to use a pestle and mortar, which was amazing to blend veggies and spices. Cooked everything over a charcoal cooking stand. Learned how to regulate the heat with a hand fan. Most of all, there were so many hints on the use of ginger, peppers of all heat intensity, seafood bouillon cubes, coarse sea salt, white pepper and other seasonings. The final meal that we prepared was beyond delicious, and KK was so fun. If you want an authentic cooking experience, you will love this class. No blender, but learn to use a pestle and mortar, which was amazing to blend veggies and spices. Cooked everything over a charcoal cooking stand. Learned how to regulate the heat with a hand fan. Most of all, there were so many hints on the use of ginger, peppers of all heat intensity, seafood bouillon cubes, coarse sea salt, white pepper and other seasonings. The final meal that we prepared was beyond delicious, and KK was so fun. Home cooking with Auntie K was a great experience. I had a great time learning how to cook food from Ghana. Auntie K really explained how to prepare the dishes we cooked in detail, and everything turned out perfect. My husband enjoyed the meal after we finished cooking it. If you want to learn how to cook foods from Ghana, this is a great place to go. Home cooking with Auntie K. We had a good time there. Love cooking with you, KK. Hope to visit you again. Georgia and Dana, your friends from the USA.